Hey everyone, my name is Ben. I'm a former math and computer science teacher, and I recently started making apps for educators. All of my stuff is on solutionsforx.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at solutionsforx. I blog about education, I share materials that I've come up with, and I make these apps. I'm really excited about my most recent app. It's called Coplanar, and if you are a math teacher of algebra or geometry or trigonometry, if you are any math teacher who's using or needs to make mathematical diagrams, especially mathematical diagrams that involve LaTeX equations, geometrically correct to scale images, this app is going to save you a huge amount of time. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this diagram right here. So if I wanted to make something like that, now I would want the parallel lines to be perfectly parallel. I'd want everything to be to scale. I'd want to get the LaTeX in there just right, the labels in the right location, and it would take me a lot of time. Now, there is some great software that's already out there. The only problem is if you're using those to make diagrams and you try to print them, it's not going to look like a printed diagram. It's going to look like a screenshot from a piece of computer software. So let me show you what I came up with. We're going to make that diagram right now. Okay, so when you open Coplanar, you look at a screen that looks like this. Now, you've got two menus right off the bat. There's one down below. This has a lot of your standard geometry construction tools, and one up above, which has some preloaded graphics. Now, the geometry tools down below, this is the kind of stuff that you've probably seen before. I can make my construction. Of course, everything is dynamic, move it around, look at how the relationship between the parts changes. This is great, not unique, but works really well in this app. The powerful feature of this app is this menu up above. These are all preloaded geometry diagrams. So if I was going to try to make one like the example I just showed you, that's going to fall under the category similar triangles, specifically the side splitter theorem. I tap side splitter theorem and there is my triangle. I'm going to just arrange it until I get it just the way it was before. Slide that line down there. And maybe there it is. So let's start to mark up this diagram to get it the way we want it. So first we'll add the labels. Now it can automatically edit the labels like that, or you can manually edit the labels. So we'll go A, B, C, D, E. And if your labels overlap, you can easily move them around so that they don't fall on top of any existing lines. And of course, if you move the diagram at all, the labels just track the diagram. Now we'll add those parallel marks. So parallel marks, we'll do 1 over BC and one more over DE. And now we'll do that LaTeX. So for the LaTeX, I need something that looks like 2x plus 1. Two fingers to pinch and zoom. And we'll do another one that's x squared plus 1. And then we need a 6 and a 2. 6. Two. Done. Now from here, I can export it, I can copy it to the clipboard, save it to my photos, send it over to another device, or if I don't like that, if that's not good enough, you can tap up here on the gear and customize every single element of the design. So that's Coplanar. If you want to download it, check it out on the App Store. Again, it's called Coplanar. You can also look at more details on my website, solutionsforx.com, or follow me on Twitter at solutionsforx. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.